The invention of the video game is attributed to multiple individuals and milestones throughout history. The first recognized interactive electronic game was called Space War and was developed by a team of programmers led by Steve Russell at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) in 1962. Space War was a two-player game that ran on the PDP-1 computer. However, the commercial video game industry truly took off with the release of Pong in 1972. Which is often considered the first successful arcade video game. Pong was created by Nolan Bushnell and Ted Dabney, who founded the company Atari, Inc. Since then, numerous pioneers have contributed to the evolution and development of video games, including Ralph Baer, who is credited with inventing the first home video game console, the Magnavox Odyssey, in 1972. Other notable figures in the history of video games include Shigeru Miyamoto, creator of iconic games like Super Mario and The Legend of Zelda, Will Wright, creator of SimCity and The Sims, and many more.